So you want to make money on YouTube, but you don't want to make any videos. Well, let me tell you, it's possible. And there's tons of channels on YouTube, I'm sure you've seen them, who produce videos where there's not actually someone getting behind a camera and filming their face. There's so many different channels on YouTube. I'm gonna be showing you a couple example channels in this video today. And as a bonus, I'm gonna be showing you how you can best monetize channels like this. Now, my name is Matt Parr, and I actually do this method. I run 9 different YouTube channels. I've gotten over 1 million subscribers on YouTube, and on 8 of the 9 different YouTube channels that I run, I don't even show my face, and I don't even get behind a camera. So yes, it's possible, but now let me show you how exactly you can go about doing this. So the first step in making money on YouTube without showing your face, without getting behind a camera, and without even making videos is to choose a niche. And there's so many different niches out there on YouTube, so many different categories of videos that you could upload videos in, that oftentimes it can be overwhelming and it can be really hard to choose a niche. So let me give you some of the best niches that you can do on YouTube. Some of the best profitable niches on YouTube are the animal niche, the financial/luxury niche, the psychology niche, the scary story niche, and the top 10 video niche. So once you've chosen your niche, now it's time to make a list of 33 different YouTube video ideas. Now, why do I say 33? 33 is about the average number that I've observed after running so many different YouTube channels and different niches until one of those videos takes off. Now, you might have a video take off, you might get lucky, or it might take more than 33 different YouTube videos. But the key is to use that 33 number as a benchmark. So once you have 33 YouTube videos up, you can then upload and optimize based off the data that you're getting on those videos. And I've had so many channels that I thought were absolute duds that have blown up and gotten millions of views per month after I've properly analyzed and optimized based off the data. So you might be saying, Matt, that's great, but how do I actually go about finding video ideas? You're telling me to get 33 different YouTube video ideas. Do I just pull them out of thin air? Do I just come up with them? No. You go to already popular YouTube channels in your niche. Let's say, for example, you chose the animal niche. You go to YouTube channels just like Animal Facts, which has over 136,000 subscribers, and then you go down to their most popular upload section, and you literally just take a look at their most popular videos. And then what you're gonna wanna do is remake each of these videos in your own way. And don't just go to one channel and do this. Go to a bunch of different channels. Go to Animal Facts. Go to Viral Bee with 1.7 million subscribers. Take a look at their most popular videos. The top 10 fastest animals on the planet. Go to Animal Wise with 345,000 subscribers. And go to Animal Tube TV and go to all these different big animal channels or different big channels in your niche. Another method of doing this is to go to YouTube and to simply search in your niche on YouTube. For example, let's say our niche is the tech niche. Simply search tech on YouTube and then go filter and then go to sort by view count and then go to filter again and then sort by upload date in the past week. This will show you the biggest videos in the past week with the most amount of views for that search term, technology, right there. And as you can see, the top video was actually produced by a channel called Quantum Tech HD, who also doesn't even show their face, doesn't even get behind a camera. They have the top technology video with 2.4 million views in the past 5 days, uploaded in the past week. So that's really the power of this method. So now that you've got your 33 different YouTube video ideas, now it's time to actually produce that content. Now, the way that you produce content depends on your situation. If you have more time than money, then you can go ahead and generate the content yourself. But if you have more money than time, then you can go ahead and pay someone to generate the videos for you, therefore allowing you to make money on YouTube without even making videos. And that's actually what I do, and that's what allows me to run 9 different YouTube channels. I have a team of content creators who help me create the videos for each of my 9 different YouTube channels. And the way this works is by putting together a video creation assembly line. Basically, you want to put together a team of people who make the videos for you. And each of the positions that you're going to want to hire for include, first of all, a script writer. So you come up with a video idea, you give it to the script writer writes a script. I recommend about 1,500 to 2,000 words for a 10-minute long video, which is what I recommend doing if you're going to do this method. After they write the script, then it goes to the voiceover artist who does a voiceover, and then it goes to the video editor who edits the video, who finds the different clips, or if you're talking about specific subjects, then the script writer puts the links to the different clips in the script. But if the video editor is just using like stock clips from places like pixabay.com, pexels.com, then they can go out and find the clips. And then after the video is done, then the thumbnail designer makes a thumbnail for your video. And this is the whole process, and the only part of that process that you have to do if you outsource this is coming up with video ideas and uploading and optimizing the finished videos. So once you have your first 33 videos ready, now it's time to start scheduling and uploading your videos. Now, I recommend being at least a month ahead of your actual upload schedule, meaning that you don't upload any videos until you have your first 33 videos done. Now, you theoretically could if you wanted to, but this is something that I just started doing recently as a result of wanting to be able to have more free time if me or my team ever wanted to take a break and in case of any kind of emergency. That way, we have a backlog of at least 30 videos, meaning we're a month ahead. And what we always try to do once we get a month ahead in content creation is to produce more videos than we're uploading by at least double. So if, for example, our upload schedule is going to be to release one video a day, which is what I actually recommend, then I recommend you be able to produce at least 2 videos a day. And then you can start scheduling your uploads, and then you can start building that backlog of videos, or you can simply wait a month until you start uploading and do it that way. So now you might be saying, Matt, how can I make sure that my videos actually get views? Well, one of the best tools that I recommend to do this is something called vidIQ. vidIQ is a great tool, and it allows you to further optimize your videos, choose the best tags to use, and everything like that. So I highly recommend vidIQ, makes it super easy. I also have a secret keyword process that I implement on all of my videos, but basically to break it down for you, what I do is use vidIQ to find high search volume, low competition keywords. I make a list of all of those keywords that relate to my channel, and I only try to make channels in a single niche. So once I have that big list of keywords, I find the lowest competition, highest search volume keywords of those. I find 5 to 10 of those keywords that relate to every single video that I'm going to upload on my channel. And from that, I put those keywords on every single video on my channel, both within the tag section, within the description, written in naturally, and if possible, even within titles of videos as well. And I want to make each video as similar as I possibly can in order to implement something I like to call similar metadata. And this makes it so that your own videos will appear in the suggested feed of other videos that you upload, so that when someone comes to one of your videos and they come in through search results, you'll start to get a little bit of search traffic at first. Then someone ideally would watch another one of your videos and another one, and over time, this viewer feedback loop will cement within the YouTube algorithm, and you can turn just a little bit of search traffic into tens of millions of views of suggested video traffic. Because then your videos will start to get suggested on other big videos within your niche, and this is the secret to going viral on YouTube. And I teach this strategy really in depth in my program if you guys are interested at the link below. So now that you have your 33 different YouTube videos uploaded and scheduled, now it's time to monetize your channel. Now YouTube has something called the YouTube Partner Program, which lets you put ads on your videos once you have 4,000 hours of watch time across your channel in the past year, along with 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Now, a lot of people are like, wait, I don't want to wait until I have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So what you can actually do is monetize via affiliate marketing, meaning you can promote other people's products in the descriptions of your YouTube videos and within the pinned comment section of your YouTube videos and make money every time someone buys one of those products. Now you might be saying, Matt, I need an example of how I can do this without ever showing my face. Well, if for example, you were to run a channel like Animal Wise, like AnimalTube TV, or any of these animal channels right here, you could go to an affiliate marketplace like clickbank.com right here, go down to the home and garden section, and then scroll down right here and go to animal care and pets. And as you can see, there's tons of different animal care and pet videos that you can promote. Now take a look at this one right here called theonlinedogtrainer.com. This guy sells a course on how to train your dog, and you could literally put that course in the description of all of your videos if your videos are about dogs or cats. They have cat products on ClickBank as well, and so many different products that you can promote. You could make as much as $73 per sale, and let me tell you from experience, you're going to make a lot more money via affiliate marketing than you would from just YouTube AdSense. View the YouTube AdSense and the YouTube ad income as just a nice bonus on top of what you can make through these additional monetization methods. Now here's another example channel in the luxury/financial niche called Mr. Luxury. They have 369,000 subscribers, and they just do videos like the world's most expensive house, the top 10 most expensive private jets in the world, and these videos get millions of views. And if we take a look at the Social Blade statistics for this channel, Social Blade, by the way, is an extension for the Chrome browser, which estimates how much YouTube channels could be making, and it shows you statistics of different YouTube channels. This channel is getting 8 million views a month. They could be making as much as $33,000 a month. And I would estimate that this channel, as you can see, there's a big spectrum right here from 2,000 to 33,000. I would guess it's on the higher end of that spectrum. So I would guess they're making anywhere from $27,000 to $30,000 a month just from ad revenue alone. And you might be saying, Matt, that's great, but guess what? You can make even more with affiliate marketing from your YouTube channel. And one of the best affiliate networks that I recommend is one called digistore24.com. Now, if you go to Digistore24 and then you go to their marketplace section right here, as you can see, there's tons of different products that you can promote on Digistore. And what's great is that a lot of these products are within the make money online niche, the luxury niche, financial niche, and they would be perfect to promote on channels like this. And on Digistore24, you can actually promote my product right here called Tube Mastery and Monetization, which is my course which teaches people how to grow on YouTube. You guys can promote that and earn 50% commissions on every single sale that you get. So if you guys are interested in that and you want to support me, you want to be business partners and split the money 50-50 for every single sale that you get from your YouTube videos, you can check out my product on Digistore24. But you don't just have to promote my product. There's tons of other products that you can promote on Digistore for completely free and earn commissions from every single sale that you get. Just as an example, you could produce videos just like I'm making on my YouTube channel, and you could do it without even showing your face. Like, for example, I used to do this on my YouTube channel. I used to be really bad in front of a camera, and I really didn't want to show my face. So I literally just recorded my screen showing how to make money on YouTube and all this kind of stuff. And then I promoted my course in the description of my YouTube videos. So something you could do is sign up for my affiliate program and then promote my course, make videos similar to what I'm making. You can literally just make slideshows talking about these different subjects, how to get subscribers on YouTube, how often you should upload on YouTube. There's so many different subjects that you could talk about, how to make money online. And another great example of a channel in this niche is one called Branson Tay. Now, as you can see, he does show his face on his profile picture, but if we click to watch one of his YouTube videos right here, he doesn't even show his face. It's literally just a screen recording along with a slideshow right here, and he doesn't even show his face, just with a voiceover on top of his videos, and he's getting 1 million views a month on his YouTube channel. And as you can see, if we go down to the description of his YouTube videos, as you can see, he does promote affiliate products in the description of his videos, and let me tell you, I would guess he's making a lot of money from those affiliate products. So you can make a channel just like this. You don't even have to show your face, just recording videos like this and potentially make a lot of money. And there's so many different offers you could promote on Digistore24.com. There's so many different offers you could promote on ClickBank as well. If you go to ClickBank and then you go down to e-business and marketing, as you can see, there's tons of different offers that you could promote on ClickBank and get a percentage of every sale. As you can see with this one right here, the 12-minute affiliate system, you get $100 per sale that you get on this product. So simply sign up to Digistore24.com, clickbank.com, get your links for the products that you want to promote, put them in the description of your YouTube videos, and potentially make money for every single sale that you get. So once you've chosen a way to monetize your YouTube channel and you have your first 33 videos uploaded, now it's time to analyze and optimize based off the performance of those videos. And the way you can do that is by simply going into your YouTube analytics and seeing what's working and what's not. Now, the benchmarks that I like to look for is at least a 60% average view duration on videos that are about 10 minutes long. Now, 60% is incredibly good, so this should be like the pinnacle of what you're trying to achieve. So if you can get 60% average view duration on a video that's 10 minutes long, along with getting a 6% click-through rate, and click-through rate, by the way, is the percentage of people who click to watch your video after seeing your video in things like search results, browse features, the suggested video feed. If you can get that 6% click-through rate on your video, along with a 60% average view duration, it's very likely that your video is going to blow up. So things you can do to improve on this is to look at your audience retention graphs, see when they peak, see when they go down, and double down on when you see your audience retention goes up. Include more things like that in your future videos and cut out whatever you're doing when the audience retention drops. And then optimize every new video that you're uploading, making your videos continually better and better and better. And this isn't something that overnight you'll make $1 million with, but over time, if you stay consistent doing this, always making your videos better, it is very possible that you can start making money on YouTube. And over the next 3 to 6 months, you could potentially have a viable income source for you, making you money every single month. I personally believe that running YouTube channels in the way that I teach is the #1 way to make money online. And I think it's one of the best ways due to the fact that there's no upfront investment required if you want to start producing the videos yourself, or there's very little upfront investment if you want to pay other people to make the videos for you. And instead of investing in things that you have no control over, you can invest in what I like to think of as digital assets and digital investments on the web, which I view YouTube channels and videos as. And one video could make you consistent revenue every single month. I personally have videos that I've uploaded years ago that still bring me in over $600 a month. So leave a comment below if you're gonna do this, but be careful. Don't give out your channel names because people will copy your channels. I want to thank you so much for watching. Now check out this video for a really weird niche that allows you to make money on YouTube potentially without ever showing your face or getting behind a camera. This video right here has got a ton of value. You'll get a ton of value from it. It's a really weird niche. Check it out. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. My name is Matt Parr, and I'll see you in the next video.